Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how you can see blocked people in Snapchat and unblock them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, be sure to write your comments. Also put your likes, and let's get started. So first of all, you and I are going to open the Snapchat app. Next, in the top left corner, we're going to click on our image to go to our profile. In the top right corner, we'll click on the gear to go to settings. And then we scroll down until we find a section called Privacy Controls. And there's an item called Blocked Users. We select that item, click on it. As you can see, I currently have 2 blocked people on the Snapchat app. And in order to unblock them, you just need to click on the cross in front of the name and then confirm that you want to remove the person from the block. That's how you can unblock people on Snapchat. After that, you won't have any blocked users or only the ones you want to see in the block. This is a very simple way to see blocked people on Snapchat and unblock them if you need to. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also write your comments for sure and put your likes. And see you soon, friends.